Well, Matt, I think it's certainly not boring at the moment. There's plenty of global inputs that are going to impact the decisions that portfolio managers change. I mean, what we're seeing here at Liquidnet is that year on year so far, we're 60% up in terms of our turnover. That's very much driven off the back of, I think, in Asia, we had a wait and see period last year with the protests that were going on in Hong Kong. Hong Kong's our biggest market. Now there's some conviction coming through. You've got a significant amount of political and macro events in the rearview mirror. It's forcing analysts and portfolio managers to actually have a view, have an opinion, and actually really have some conviction about their decisions and their views and their investments going forward. So whether or not the markets are going to go up or down, that's not really the business that we're in. We don't have a crystal ball as much as we wish we might. The reality is that we sit in the middle of our global investment trading community, which is 1,000 asset managers. When they do have that conviction, when they do make those decisions, we're certainly here to help them along.
Okay, I'll ask it a different way then. Are markets perhaps looking too expensive then at these current levels?
Again, I think that's a really good good question, but I think the reality is that I mean, what might look expensive for some asset manager looks very cheap for others. When a portfolio manager is actually exiting a position, he's typically looking to enter another one. So again, that's what makes the market. We're certainly seeing that the fact that the conviction levels are rising, the match rates in our platform are rising. And I mean, for example, our average trade size last year was $1.1 million US per transaction. This year it's 1.4. There's a very good reason for that. The conviction levels are growing, and active asset managers have had a really rough ride in the last couple of years in terms of, particularly with their competition with the passive group. Now is the time for them to actually earn their fees, have their performance actually push forward in terms of their conviction rates. So far this year, that's what we're seeing. So as to whether or not the market's going to continue going up or go down, that's not what we do. What we can do is facilitate the views and the conviction that our clients have.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.